Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a terms and conditions agreement with LegalZoom, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the LegalZoom website to get started. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log into your account. Navigate to the Business Forms section. Look for the Terms and Conditions template. Select the Terms and Conditions option. Review the description provided to ensure it meets your needs. Click on the Get Started button for the template. Fill out the required information in the provided fields. Provide details about your business, including the name and type. Review additional sections that may require customization. Make sure to include any unique policies relevant to your business. Once you've completed the form, review all entered information for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, proceed to the Payment section. Complete your payment to access the finalized document. Download your Terms and Conditions agreement in the provided format. Ensure the document adheres to your local laws and regulations. Consider consulting with a legal expert for additional guidance. Implement the terms and conditions on your website or platform. Make the agreement accessible to users before they engage with your services. Regularly update the document to reflect any changes in your business practices. Keep a copy stored safely for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.